Hello people, just before I get started, because I've done this video 5 times now, I keep dropping the camera or something. Anyway, I keep dropping my brand new camera, which finally records in 720p, so click that fucking little button now. Yeah, hopefully it's recording. Yes, it's recording. Yes it is. Yeah, recording. Me and my mate are building another channel. His channel will be here, the one what he's using now. The one he's using now, Burning Art Studios. He does videos about bass boosted songs, just bass. We're making a channel what's purely for music, just like music. If we find a good song, we'll put a good song on there. It's just everything about songs. Simple enough, but we can't find a name. So if you think of a name, it'll tie in everything, and let us know in a comment below. Okay? Right, I think we should get onto some bass. Please don't drop it, that'll do. Alright, let's play the song I'm playing now. That'll do. Yeah. They have children next door, so best turn it down. Yeah, anyway, I have two of them, each side of my monitor. And they're Sony 2-inch little things from that, and it goes with that one. Yeah, Acoustic Solutions bookshelf speakers. I forgot what the model is. I'll find the model number for you. Yeah, there's them. Let's show you. Yeah. I want to pull it off the wall. Ah, that's the broken one. Yeah, I cracked the cone, so I put tape over it. It sounds brilliant. It sounds like normal. Yeah. Oh, can't get it back in. In. There's them. They're £20, I think. £20. If I find a link, I'll put it in the description. These are just Philips 6-inch things, speakers, which sound brilliant for bass. So I thought, yeah. And this is the Sony what comes with that amp. Yeah. So that's about it, really. I think. If you think I should include anything at all, if you want any tips in audio, I'll get back to you straight away. Yeah, that's about it, really. Alright, if you got any tips for my videos, because I know that I'm just starting out and they're not very good, I know that. So if you got any tips, just let me know. And I'm learning how to BMX, like on skate parks and flatland. So I'm going to do a video of that. I'm going to do a few videos of them, because I really like BMXing. Yeah, let's just take to my bike actually. Let's go. It's my messy room because I've only just moved it round. My bike. Okay, do a bike check. Okay, well, this is a proper hub. Wow, Smurf's in the way. A proper hub and a proper rim. There we go. Which needs truing and some spokes put back in. I got Shadow Conspiracy tyres. A We the People seat. I'm gonna get a new one soon because it's ripped to fuck. We the People seat. Oddesy Twisted pedals. Stolen crank. Twat. Stolen sprockets. Mongoose cranks. Mongoose frame. Fucking Prolite front wheel. I've never heard of it. Oh, can't see it. Fit forks. Fit stem. Glam, Mutiny Glam bars. I don't know what these are. These grips, I have no idea what they are. They're just so nice. Premium bar ends, which are fucked. Might have to get some more soon. Why is the quality so good down here? Here, that's about it. I got another Shadow Conspiracy tyre at the front. I need to know what they're called though. Got any idea what the tread is like on tyres? If you're a tyre whore, let me know what the fuck they are, because I really want some more. Yeah, I know they're both Shadow Conspiracy, but I don't know what ones. Yeah, it's 9.5 at the back, I think, and a 1 at the front. Or that could be a 1 too. I don't know. Hi, dog. That's about it. Soon I might be getting a half-link chain and a new sprocket because I bent it, and some pegs soon. Okay, I think I can go now. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go. Right. Woo! Show me the camera there. Oh, it's my new camera. Yeah, alright. Bye bye. Bye bye.